Jai Swaminarayan students, I am Shivangi Mehta and today we are going to learn our first standards second chapter, that is my family. Okay. We all are staying with our family, as we all know. So in this topic we will learn about all the family members. We will start from a small definition. We live with our father, mother, brother or sister together as a family. So in this modern era, we can say that we are staying in a very small families. We have very few family members in it, like our father, our mother and our brother or sisters. So this type of families are known as small families, or you can also say nuclear families. So first of all we will understand this term parents. Parents means our father or mother. We call it parents. Okay. So in small families we have mother and father. We also can call them our parents. Okay. The next one is siblings. Okay. So our brother or sister, they also called our siblings. So this word siblings means our brother or sister. Okay. So as I told you that nowadays we can see only small families in almost everywhere. So in small family, what is the difference between this small family and large families? How many family members are there and what is the difference between both these families? We will see that. So first is small family. As we discussed earlier, in small family we have very few family members, like our parents. Our parents means our mother and father. Okay. And our siblings. Siblings means our sister and our brother. They called our siblings. Okay. And we have grandparents stay with us in small families. Okay. So grandparents means what? In Hindi you can say dada or dadi or nana or nani. They called our grandparents. Means your father or your mother's father is called your grandfather, and your father and mother's mother is called your grandmother. So grandparents means, in short, if I will tell you, grandparents means your parents' parents. They call our grandparents. Okay. So this is a brief detail about small families. Okay. Now we'll look up here to our next topic, that is large families. So here we have seen how much family members are there in our small family. So in large families we have we have our parents, our siblings, our grandparents, okay, and uncles and aunties. Uncles and aunts here. So uncles means your father or mother's brother. We call them uncle. Okay. And aunts. Aunts means your father or your mother's sister. We call them aunts. So what is the difference between both these members? Uncles, I will repeat that again. Uncles means your father or your mother's brother. आपके जो फादर है, आपके जो पापा है या आपकी जो मम्मी है, उनके जो भाई है उनको अंकल बोला जाता है, और आपकी फादर या मदर, आपके जो पापा या जो मम्मी है, उनकी जो सिस्टर है, उनको आंट बोला जाता है. ओके, so I hope this topic is clear to you. Okay, after that, here we have some words which I already described here. Okay, first one is parents. So you have to write these words also. Okay, so the first one is parents. Parents means you can say your father and your mother. We call them parents. The next is siblings, means your brother or your sister. Next is grandparents, means you can say your parents' parent. Next is uncle. Uncle means your father or your mother's brother. Next one is aunt, means your father or mother's sister. So you also have to write these words in your notebook. ये जो words के कुछ meanings जो कि मैंने लिखे हैं यहाँ पे, वो आप देख सकते हैं, तो वो भी आपको अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं, और साथ में ये जो words है वो learn भी करने हैं. I hope that this definition and this differences between these small families and large families is clear. Okay, so I want to give you another one homework also. Have you ever heard about family trees? It's just a small activity. In that activity, you have to draw a tree like this. Okay, a small tree like this, and then you have to write down names of your family members in this tree. Okay, in this box you have to write down your family members' name. Okay, but how you will write these names of your family members in this tree, that I will tell you. You can see these two boxes. Okay, so these are, you can say, first row boxes. So in this first row you have to write down name of your grandparents, means your dada and your dadi. Okay, so in this box you have to write down your grandparents' name. Okay, I will tell you. Grandparents. In first boxes you have to write down your grandparents' name. In this second box you have to write down your parents. Parents means your mother and father. Then you have to write down here in the second row, and here in third row you have to write down your siblings name and your name also. Okay, so you have to prepare a family tree. This tree is called family tree. Family tree, where we have the names of our all the family members. Okay, so this is your activity of this today's topic that you have to draw this type of tree and you have to mention your family members name like this only. Okay, again I will tell you like this. In first row you have to write down your grandparents name, means your dada or dadi's name. In this second one you have to write down your parents, your mummy and papa's name. In this third one you have to write down your siblings, means your brother or your sister's name and your name also. Okay, so this is your activity of this today's topic. I hope you all understand this. Jai Swaminarayan.